OutKast is one of my favorite acts ever. I love Andre 3000 and Big Boy. So it's interesting because I came across this video, and Big Boy was saying that he has not eaten beef or pork for over 30 years. So that's since like 1995. Now, most likely, that's what probably when Big Boy and Andre started making real money. So maybe he started getting a chef or just buying better food. So I can understand why he can financially be able to just eat beef and pork and not do fast food. So fantastic for him. But he eats chicken, turkey, and seafood. Now we're a helpful channel here. I want us to be all healthy and live long, healthy lives. If you are a person who doesn't eat beef or pork, okay, do you have any chicken recipes, some turkey recipes, seafood recipes that we can do, no matter if it's grilling or in the oven or in a skillet? Because I need to learn how to cook more stuff. Like, there's a lot of things. I would be very embarrassed to tell y'all what I finally learned how to cook. It was like, well, damn, man. I learned that at 10. So I'm a late bloomer when it comes to cooking. But if you are like Big Boy, and you haven't eaten any beef or pork, tell us what type of things do you cook at home, and make it quick and easy. Like, some of us are not great chefs, so we are not Gordon Ramsay here or Garvin, man. So we need a little help. It's just nice, quick, easy recipes. And if you did stop eating beef and pork, when did you stop, and how long have you stopped eating it? What is your favorite OutKast song? And if you're not a cooker, are there websites or places that you go to with prepackaged meal, or they cook seafood, turkey, chicken that you absolutely love? Shout out to Big Boy.